Hey there friends, this is me, HLModTech, and I'm here with a documentary created by my students showing you all the ins and outs of our dragster module, where they're doing their own research and development while they create their own dragster. Check it out.
We are in R&D right now, and we are drag racing, and we had to get these cars on this fishing line with these axles right here. Got axles there, and then this is the string right here. So then we have to, there's a little nail right here. We have to get that wrapped around for both. And then we put these in these little holes right here for both of them. And then we're like, yeah, so go ahead, put them in there. So then, it's, wait, nope, you gotta pull this up a little bit, all the way, nope, there you go. So then, we race it, and so everything's good over there, set, go. And then we come over here, you see who won. Evan won with track 2, which is the car that is right there, that's Ethan's.
I won! He said I had 0.2. I won!
Oh, actually no, Ben won this round, so yeah. And this is how we take it off right here. We just undo them from this fishing pole. You don't have to take yours off.
I don't. Oh yeah.
So it's like a fishing line right here, off that screw. And we just drive it backwards. Put this on there through the axles. Don't get it upside down. I'll get it upside down. Wait, don't get the car upside down.
I know, so much turning around.
Flip that over. Then you put it on there, on this little screw. It's actually very tight to get on, but that's kind of better. And it's also a lot better when we have, when it just resets. So, alright, you go over there and see who wins, and then I will be right here. Yep, go hit monitor lanes. Okay, so, and we're gonna hit this in 3, 2, 1, go! Benji won.
As you can see, that is how this first off.
And I am now not undefeated. It's really cool. Charge air.
Officially better than time.
So, pretty cool.